Back to the channel. Today's Saturday. I will see y'all when I get to where I'm going. I did my nails. Hope y'all can see. I'll show y'all better when I get in the house. I'm just now getting back home. It's around 9:30ish. I just got my nails done. The reason I got these colors is because green is my favorite color and orange is my mom's favorite color. And the plan was to wear an orange dress with some green heels and a green bag. I got my heels on Fashion Nova. I'm about to show y'all. But the dress is too big. So now, that's not even a reason why I got to change my entire outfit. Once again, Mother Nature eggs up herself. And I want to come the day before my damn brunch. I'm so annoyed. So now I cannot even wear the outfit I originally planned to wear. I don't like tampons. I don't like tampons. I'm gonna have to either do it for tomorrow, but I still have to find a second outfit. I'm showing you my heels. I really wanted to wear those heels. That's why I got my nails this green. A little unboxing. Not really unboxing. I'm just gonna show y'all. I had to buy another tripod because I lost my tripod when I went out with my friend. I lost it. I think I left it in the Uber or the restaurant. But these are the shoes that I ordered from Fashion Nova, the green ones. I'm weak. Yo. But yeah, these are the heels. They're Vivian from Fashion Nova. And so this is how they come out. Thanks so much, Fashion Nova. So yeah, these are the heels that I really wanted to wear. I'll probably still wear them, honestly. Mother Nature, I'm about to mess up my freaking day. I got these because the heels are not that tall, so it's not that much. It's like 2 inches or 3 inches. I don't know. I could have sworn it was another pair I ordered, but now I remember the other pair I saw, it was on Amazon. It wasn't a Fashion Nova. But yeah, these are them. Cute. And I will link them in the description. I forgot how much I paid, but that wasn't really expensive. I'm about to eat me something, and then I'm going to the same birthday wig. I'm about to install that same wig because I washed it from last week and I just haven't worn it. So I was about to install that same wig on my head for tomorrow. And my friend's gonna do my makeup in the morning. I don't think I'm gonna record me installing the wig. Maybe I should, but maybe not. I'm too tired. But I don't think y'all gonna see that part.
Yo, Fuse, one brother music. People, go for them. A celebration, I watch it give me away from my uptown. They a pop a buckle operation. 1,000 rifle, they a cow linking with the Asian. Quick for boss your face, I mean no need no validation. They yelling, I watch your pain and just me and the Ray-Ban in my straight pants. Fuck be a girl, Benz in my floor, the killer rocket like a space man. End up on the rocks, now at the Mali, we are up on the road and we at roll up your jack, boom. When me get to your star code, man, I catch, but the load up your jack. Coat money that, big body girl in my pro pan the yacht. Over time, watch it clock, map star that. None of them can't stop you, wait to the top. If I got ever, try never lock, kill you now, can't be no shot. Oh, do you them up the pan asphalt? Chop card, me not the pan, none of that top.
Yeah. I know it's much, but damn. Look at the size.
That's not
Yeah, that's true.
So we are coming here with a force, yeah. Blessing the reap and we coursing on full. Oh, we the rise on board. Yeah, we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to be thankful. Blessings all from the life on. But thank God for the journey is not to the blood. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, blessings all from our right hand. But I thought with the friends that they come to me load one time. Sit down in a class and we board that only see the road and me go on in the road. Third form is a me tired thing. And you know it warmed up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with credit I sing. Yeah, Jimmy, I'll dig it to get the higher ring. Like hello, brother. Say I just shot ya. Saw you post a spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your son. You're falling on this man. Me have to talk back to the journey.
friends, my
I can say I never did that one. I never did that. Yeah, that was a good one.
The nuggets one.
Lay, what happened? public places and public transportation, whatever. Dine and dash. Dine and dash. It's fun as good. Which one? Oh, wait, this is good, right?
Now we'll have some more that's making you feel better. I feel so guilty.
Blessings upon me, and send me to tell you my story. Just so blessings upon me, and that's why I'm gonna give him the top for free. I'm delighted. You know, to my person ignited. Got the music get me excited. I'm coming like a boat. Blessings all coming like fun.
I'm a friend, I'm in the back, yo. Me see a pretty thing when me would have locked down. They will do anything me ask, yo. So if you see me wild out, please don't blame me. I just got the gas amigos. You know I hit that make me feel so. And if you feel so, we hype right now. Just wait till we meet, so live the life of a dream, boy. Come here to keep on a speed, boy. Just me and me amigos. And you got the gas amigos. When I skylight pilot, two bad bitch by my side. Why not elevation? Me, I pray for my family. I'm a one stinking rich till my dry rat. Yeah, my city.
How y'all feeling? Y'all full? Y'all ready I literally just got in from work. Yeah, it's around 6:30ish. I'm so tired. So today is July 4th. And it's a holiday, no work today, thank God. But I will be going to my friend's barbecue. Yeah, my friend and her will be having a barbecue on the beach. So either way, good vibes, good scenery, everything. Yeah, I think the weather's gonna be like in the 80s or 90s. I don't go back to work until Wednesday, so you know, holiday pay and all. Kind of wish I was working so we get time and a half, but I'm not gonna complain. I'm off for the day, but still getting paid. So yeah, and it's not us. We're not celebrating July 4th. This is just Juneteenth after party. This is not July 4th celebration. Okay, yeah, Juneteenth after party. That's what we're doing. Period. I'm gonna go to bed and get myself together for bed. Yeah, for bed. So keep watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Now to find her in this crowd.
I don't know where these people at.
Hey, coma hanging on my neck. The bracelet matches a set. My brother name is $10. Stop all that back and forth over the net. My mama wish I would've went corporate. She wish I would've went exec. I still turn to a CEO, so the lifestyle she respect. Hey, 2 sprinters to Quebec. Cherie, who est mon bec? They only giving niggas +1, so I never pull up to the Met.
Oh, it's lit. You wasn't playing when it was like everybody outside.
They was outside. When I came and I saw these people, I was like, wait, it was just raining?
There's a whole lot of people out here. And I'm trying to take my plate. So my plate. Got a nice hefty plate.
What do you want to drink? I'm a little intoxicated. Go! Go, baby girl!
Wait, let me eat first. I ain't eating nothing from this morning.
Okay. How'd you get here?
What's this? Oh, what?
Rasta pasta.
Oh, no.
But it's cold. I wish you would have had it when it was hot.
I'm not a fan of Rasta pasta.
No?
You made this? Karen, you made the pasta?
Which one? Yeah.
Oh, it's good.
Tell me again. Say it louder. I didn't hear you. Say it again. What?
It's good. Yeah, 'cause I'm not a fan of creamy pasta. That's why. But I like it.
I make the best rasta pasta and the best mac and cheese.
Okay.
So, boom that girl.
Down the road and we at roll up the drop, boom, boom, me get the Oscar code, man, I crack. Pussy load up the action, cool money that. Big body girl, them a pro on the yacht. Over time, what you got? Map star that. None of them can't stop your way to the top. If I got ever, try never lap. Kill no car, people shot. A celebration, watch it give me away from my uptown. They a pop a buckle operation. Toss rifle, they a cow linking with the Asian. For boss and face, I'm in no need no validation.
But down here, give y'all a whole 360. The sun setting over there. That's so pretty. Y'all, I was contemplating, should I come in the stand or should I take my sandals off? My Karen's best friend gonna say, oh, I'm bougie, I only go to the sand, I only go in the sand in Jamaica. You're damn right. Ooh, the sun coming out. Ooh, y'all saw that? Ooh, the sun is hitting. Ooh, came out. It's so pretty. It is so pretty. My friend's daughter over here. She's trying to cover herself with the sun. And this bad one. Amira. Amira. Say hi. I just got back home. It's 10:40. Of course, the fireworks still going. So we was trying to go to Coney Island to go watch the fireworks. A fail because it was so much traffic. We ended up staying in traffic so long that we decided like we're just gonna leave. It didn't make sense. It didn't make sense to do all that just to see some fireworks for an hour. I didn't know that the fireworks only lasted an hour. Yeah, so I'm really hungry. It looks like I don't have no clothes on, but I do. Yeah, so I'm about to go outside and get something to eat. Like, I had one plate and then I went to go play with the kids and they wore me out. Like, I was watching my friend's two daughters and then her best friend's son also, and then one of the daughter's friend. So four of them. I was on auntie duty. Like, they wore me out. They did not want to leave the water. I'm like, it's time to go. Like, I had to threaten them, like, I'm gonna call your mom. I had to threaten them. I didn't know what else to say. Yeah, the last kid that I had to babysit or do anything like that for like any type of babysitting or any type of just watching kids was my nephew, and he's 14 now. So y'all do the math. Yeah, auntie kind of rusty when it comes to that. Oh my god, my auntie duties was in full effect today though. But I'm about to go outside and catch some of them fireworks, because since I didn't get to go to Coney Island, here they're going in outside, so I'm about to go catch some of this. Oh, they're wildin'. They about to let us off right in the street. Oh, now they gotta turn off. Yo, that was crazy. Everybody running. I'm weak. Yeah, I better go before the cops come. For real. I guess. That one was really big though. It was a lot. They put a lot together. Oh, you was at the window? Look at the steam still coming from this one. Let me move. Well, they got 6. It's only now 2:18, so hopefully they have some good time there. Huh? Nope, I'm on green. Mad. Thank you. Can I do the blue? We're going to put on the
You about to go on the roller rink and see what can be accomplished, because me? I'm about to bust my ass under that.
I'm on my skates. I have my skates on. I'm ready to go on the rink now. So we'll bust my, you know what? But I have to practice. So it is what it is. Got my skates on. Yeah. That's all I can balance. I can't really balance that good, so that's why I need practice. So time to go.
Like damn, she in her mood. 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 She lit, the money too. Like damn, she in her mood. In the mirror, I'm doing my